The Lenovo ThinkPad USB-C dock 40AF0135US allows you to connect two monitors to your ThinkPad laptop, boosting productivity. Plug your monitors into the dock's video ports. You can use HDMI for up to 4K at 30 Hz, DisplayPort for up to 4K at 60 Hz, or VGA for up to 1080p on older displays. Configure display settings in Windows via Settings, Display, or in macOS via System Preferences. Displays extend or mirror your desktop. Make sure the dock's 230-watt adapter is connected for full functionality. Update your ThinkPad's drivers using Lenovo Vantage or System Update to avoid conflicts and ensure compatibility with Windows 11 or Mac OS. This setup provides a primary and secondary display, enhancing multitasking and workflow efficiency by up to 25%, as shown in recent studies. If you experience issues like flickering or resolution mismatches, first ensure your dock's firmware is up to date via the Lenovo support website. Check the cable integrity and try different HDMI or DisplayPort cables. If one monitor isn't detected, ensure both are properly connected and powered on before turning on the laptop. For resolution problems, adjust the display settings to match your monitor's native resolution and refresh rate. Occasional HDMI handshaking issues can be resolved by power cycling the dock. Avoid daisy-chaining multiple monitors via DisplayPort, as the 40AF0135US has limitations. While this dock is reliable, remember it's an older model. For advanced multi-display needs, consider newer docks. The dock's longevity makes it cost-effective, but be aware that legacy ports like VGA are becoming obsolete. Regularly check Lenovo's website for updates to maintain optimal performance and compatibility with newer ThinkPad models like the T14's Gen 4 and X1 Carbon Gen 12.